What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back again with another video today. Today we are unfortunately going to be working on the M3 because she's broken. But luckily this will be an easy fix today. I've already ran the code. I didn't show that part, but right now she's suffering from a cylinder 6 misfire. So I'm going to have to remove the Megan Racing strut bar, remove the air filter, get the cover off of her, and then we can get in here and probably, I'm thinking it's the ignition coil, possibly even the spark plug, but we'll see in a few. Alright guys, we're going to do a quick little time lapse on this, remove all this stuff, and we can get in here and figure out what's going on. And just like that, guys, we got it back up and running. It was the ignition coil like I thought. Thank God. So got that done out the way. Now put everything back together, get a little maintenance wash going.
wrap, y'all.